Understanding deal breaker in English negotiations. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll explore a common English phrase that you might encounter in personal and professional settings, deal breaker. Knowing what this means can help you communicate more effectively, especially when it comes to making decisions. A deal breaker is a term used to describe a factor or issue which, if unresolved, would cause one party to withdraw from a deal or negotiation. Imagine it as the one piece in a puzzle that, if missing, would prevent the entire picture from coming together. Let's look at some examples to understand deal breakers better. In a job interview, if a candidate requires a higher salary than the company can offer, it could be a deal breaker. When buying a house, if the buyer discovers significant structural damage, this could be a deal breaker. Now, let's practice using the phrase in different sentences. The lack of remote working options was a deal breaker for me. We nearly signed the contract, but the delivery time was a deal breaker. It's important to identify your own deal breakers in any negotiation. Make a list of what you must have and what you can't accept. Communicate these clearly to avoid misunderstandings. Understanding the concept of deal breakers is crucial for smooth negotiations and making informed decisions. I hope this video helps you navigate your English conversations with greater confidence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice identifying your deal breakers in different scenarios.